and welcome to this very special interview at RepairDesk with our CEO, Usman Butt. You know the software, but do you know the man behind it all? Today, we get to talk to the man himself and learn just what it is that makes him at the top of the game. So, let's talk about it. Usman, how are you feeling today?
Feeling very good.
That's great. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. So, let's start off. You're at the head of a company that's been in business for quite a while now. You've made a name for yourself and you've seen it grow to amazing heights. How do you feel with all this progress that you've seen in the past couple of years?
As an entrepreneur, it feels great. You get a chance to work on a lot of exciting projects. We've worked with almost 100 plus team members and we have customers in more than 50 countries. Obviously, it comes with its own challenges. One day you're having a great day and the next day you want to kill yourself. So it feels pretty good.
You know, all the challenges that you faced along the way, you had solutions for it in place. So could you tell us a bit about how you were able to tackle all of these as they came along?
As Steve Jobs says that you don't know your path forward, but when you can look back, you can connect the dots. So I believe a lot of founders struggle with focus and because you have all these interesting ideas you want to work on, but if you are focused on just one thing at RepairDesk, from day one, our focus was self-repair stores, and we were very focused on working with them. And then, having bringing the right team members on board helps you over there as well. Like you need to have people you can work with for a longer period of time, and then who can stick with you, who shares the same ideas, same vision, same energy. At RepairDesk, we are very proud that we provide exceptional customer service. And if you go to our Capterra page, Trustpilot, everyone says that we have a pretty good customer service, of course, and the productive.
What's some of the best business advice that you've ever gotten?
One of the advice I always remember is focus on your core business, and we try our best to do that, hopefully.
Great. What's the most important thing for you when it comes to customer service?
Try to respond as fast as you can, and then make sure that your customers are taken care of.
I'm sure that sentiment is reflected in the team.
Yes, sir. Average response time on our live chat is 21 seconds when someone reaches out to us.
That is very impressive. So, hats off to the team over there. One final question with regards to the customers, actually. So these customers of yours, they go through unique challenges. Business owners, being a business owner in America is absolutely not easy. In fact, anywhere in the world is not easy. So what sort of message would you want to give them to be able to, have them, stay uplifted and continue to do the best that they're doing right now?
Running a business is definitely hard because you're wearing multiple hats. You're a bookkeeper, you're doing procurement, you're fixing phones, you're answering calls, you're a technician, you're a marketeer, and you're doing a job of 8-10 different people. So do all the things such as hiring good people, developing SOPs, focusing on creating their digital presence online, having a nice website, focus on social media, making sure each customer they serve leaves them a review, because in service business, review is everything. Make sure that every customer that walks into the store, they are collecting their information, email address, phone number, so later on they can retarget these customers by sending them emails, follow-up campaigns. All in all, I would recommend these business owners not to work in the business, but work on the business.
Right. And that's exactly the sort of market that RepairDesk serves, right? And that's what we're here for, to be able to help our customers and to be able to focus on them and make sure that they do the best that they can. Because at the end of the day, it's all about you, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. That's great. Thank you so much. It's been amazing talking to you, and, really amazing to get that sort of insight. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us for this special session. It's been a pleasure having you here. And at the end of the day, we'd love to have you as part of the RepairDesk family, because at RepairDesk, it's all about you. Take care of yourself. We'll see you next time.